We have been waiting for this tool for too long. This is Hailuo Image Generator. Everyone knows Hailuo AI as the best video and movie generator on the internet. But it has also launched its best image generator tool, which is now the best ever, and completely free. With a single prompt, you generate realistic image you can use as your character on social medias including YouTube and make money in this age of AI and automation. Please stick around because in this video I am quickly going to show you how to use it step by step. Firstly, get its link in description or search Hailuo on your browser. Navigate to the official website Hailuo video homepage. As you can see, this is already very good in movie generation. There are tons of movies and videos generated by this AI. For now, we are not going to talk about movie generation. We are going to dive into its image generation tool, which is really insane. So if this is your first time, you'll need to first sign up, which takes only 10 seconds. So locate the sign in button here at the top right corner and click on it. Now select one of these options. May I continue with Google and confirm it? And that's all. We are logged in. As I am shooting this video, Hailuo is giving away 1,000 free credits for new users, plus 100 credits. It already give TO everyone daily. By this, no one need to pay for premium because you can generate up to 100 images every single day. Okay, now let's go into it. Click on Create Image button. Now you'll land on the image generation page. Here, you'll see a large text box where you can enter a description of the image you want. Below the prompt box, you can customize the settings. Choose an image model, set the aspect ratio, for example, 16:9 for widescreen images, and select the number of images you want. Each image costs 1 credit. I tested this AI against some of the best image generators out there, and Hailuo AI came out on top. Here are some cat images I recently generated using the same prompt in both Hailuo AI and Leonardo AI, and Hailuo delivered the best results. Now it's time to generate your image. Simply enter your detailed prompt in the text box, describing exactly what you want. Next, adjust the settings like the aspect ratio and image quantity, then hit the Generate button. In just a few seconds, your AI-generated image will be ready. You can download any image you like with a single click. Hailuo AI is extremely cost-effective. Imagine if each image only costs 1 credit and you get 100 free credits every day. This allowing you to create as many images as you need without spending a dime. I've provided free sample prompts in the description. You can use them to generate any image you want. Feel free to experiment and tweak them to match your vision. And if you ever need fresh ideas, you can always ask ChatGPT to generate a custom image prompt for you. Let your creativity run wild. Now these are our images generated by Hailuo. They are very realistic and no one can tell they are not real human.
If your AI-generated image has a watermark remover. IO is the best free tool to get rid of it in just 1 click. Simply upload your image, and in a few seconds, it automatically detects and removes the watermark. Once done, you can download the clean image straight to your browser. When you want to animate your character, use it in YouTube videos, or create smooth animations, Hailuo is the perfect tool. For example, you can easily click here and choose either video generation or character reference to ensure consistency across different scenes. Simply write a prompt and generate your videos seamlessly. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've created a stunning AI-generated image. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting updates and tutorials.